Hi there! Today at the Cary Company, I'm going to teach you how to use a spill kit in 10 easy steps. Now if you don't know, spill kits are bins or barrels like this that store all the materials that help you stop, contain, and clean up a spill or leakage. These spill kits are a necessary resource to ensure the safety of your employees while also protecting your company from environmental contamination fines. So let's get started.
The first step is to make a spill emergency plan. You'll need to know where your spill kits are and which kit to use per leakage. Remember to keep the kits in a prime location for easy and quick access. The second step is to spot and identify the spill. Notify management and review the safety data sheet for information on proper cleanup. Grab the correct kit. Put on appropriate protection. Secure the area using caution signs or tape. Step 3 is to stop the flow of the spill at its source so that it does not spread further. Next, block the path of the leakage with your spill kit's absorbent socks. Completely encase it if you can. Then add your pads and pillows to start soaking up the spill. Our pads and pillows have durable knitted sleeves to keep their 100% polypropylene fill safe and prepped to absorb any material. However, if after use there's still an abundance of liquid, you can use ChemZorb. ChemZorb is the leading, lightweight, fast-acting absorbent powder designed to leave behind a residue-free surface and a manageable clump of absorbed material. For ultimate protection when interacting with ChemZorb and your spill material, put on coveralls and an apron, and then get to work by sweeping up your clumped ChemZorb. Step 9. You'll want to dispose of the waste properly. Put everything into the provided disposal bag and dispose of the contained waste in accordance with federal, state, and local regulations. Finally, once you have disposed of all waste, you'll need to check your spill kit and assess if you need to refill or reorder any of its contents so that you're prepared for the next spill emergency.
For all these showcased spill cleanup products and more, visit us online at thecarycompany.com or give us a call. We carry universal spill kits, oil-only spill kits, acid spill kits, hazmat spill kits, and high-visibility hazmat spill kits in a range of sizes, along with spill kit refills, absorbent rolls, absorbent mats, and oil spill booms. Remember, the Cary Company is your one-stop solution for spill control and so much more.